Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Calendar. This is actually a beginner friendly guide, so if you are a beginner then I'm going to show you how you can use Google Calendar with a beginner skills. So first you have to simply tap on this button here where you can find all the apps the Google offer for you. Now simply click on this calendar button here, so open your calendar, and after that you can find all of your dates here. So Google Calendar is pretty much awesome and cool app that offered by Google, so you can actually integrate your daily task, your monthly task with that calendar from here. So right now you can simply click on that button here. Now let me show you. Here is the date, and you can select the week here, or you can select a month to get the monthly date from here. So there is a tiny calendar for you. So this is actually the view that you want. So let me show you. Now from here, let me begin from the very first. Here is today. Now from here you can see I have already integrated my Google task from on my Google Calendar. So here is the month and the year, and if you click on today, so it will show you the today's date here. So this is actually today's date. Now from here you can search for any date and task. From here you can select the task only, so it will redirect you to the task where you have added all of your tasks here. So I have already made a video on how you can organize your Google task like a pro, so you won't miss any important work, any important task, if it is based on daily or weekly or monthly. Now from here you can find this this 9 button again, so you can also access the other app, Google apps. Also there is more apps here, also you can add some more add-ons here, so if you want, so that will make your work much faster. So you can find different types of add-ons, and it will work specifically for different types that can make your work more faster. Now if you have added peoples, you can search for the peoples here that actually added with you. You can share that people with, so they actually restricted their calendar, that's why you can see their calendars from here. Now here is my calendar section where you can add your Apple education task, your birthdays, if you have saved any birthdays here, and your task here. If you just delete all tasks here, so you can delete the task, but if you select on month here or day, so if you just unselect the task, then it will just unselect that task from here on this day. Now you can find the holidays according to your location. So it's pretty much cool that it has all the data about the holidays according to the day, the location. So here is the calendar that this is the day, actually Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and again Saturday, and there is a date here. So here the month is closed in this Wednesday, and this next month will start from this Thursday. Then you can find that everything from here. So it's pretty much cool here, and you can select it like schedule, or you can select the year here, so you can get the year like this is the 2025, and here is 12 month. So the first month calendar, January calendar, February calendar, and current is April, so this is actually April's calendar, and this date one is of May actually. So that actually start from the Tuesday. Here is the Tuesday, and it's also from Tuesday. So this is actually May calendar, June calendar. So from here you can get the yearly view here, and you can get the schedule view, that which work and which holiday is on according to your location. So it's pretty much cool, I think. So you can get all the holidays, all the details about upcoming holidays. Then the 4 days here, so you can short your calendar as 4 days here, just like this. Now per day, if I select a per day here, so not in today's date here, this is a today date. So you can add some task according to that day. If in this day you can see the timer here, so it's 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. So you can add some task and at this hour like 7 a.m. So I want to birthday party, like X's birthday party. So I have to attend that birthday party at 7 a.m. So you can add this reminder or the task at that exact time and in that exact date. Also, you can add some date. Also, if you get the 7 days format or the week format, so you can add that weekly task if you want. So like this day, so I have to go to my office at 23, 24 and 25 at 10 a.m. So I'm going to add like office. So search for office and save that. Again, we can copy that actually, like simply Ctrl+C, and you can paste it to your exact location here. Not this actually. So I'm going to discard it. So you can paste it here. So just like this, and you can just copy that here. Let me copy it, duplicate, and you can duplicate it and you can add the location, and you can duplicate it where you can set the time zone where you want to duplicate it, or otherwise you can add that, like I'm going to add it. Now I'm going to add that in this section, add title. So again, add title here. So I have just added this, not this actually, sorry. So I'm going to add this and in this section here. So I'm going to expand it like this. So I'm going to expand it to the full. So here I'm going to save it. So you can expand that section here. Also, I'm going to add the same here to save. Tap on save. Also, you can get more options here. So you can add the day here. You can set all day routine if it's for all day. So it will repeat all day. And you can set the time zone here, you can set the location, you can set a Google Meet video conference, and more thing like you can add descriptions here. You can color it according to your needs, like this orange color. So here you can see I have just added this as orange color, but I'm going to delete it right now. So that's how you can set your time. So you can get month actually. So you can get you can set your schedule by this date also. So you can actually simply click on that box here and you can add anything like office again. So I'm going to save it. Here you can see I have just saved that task here. So this is actually task, that the blue color is task, and actually what are you seeing in this green color, this is actually holiday in our location. So that's how you can pretty much all think about Google Calendar, how you can use your Google Calendar, and it's actually pretty much helpful for them who want to manage their tasks daily, weekly or monthly, and who don't want to miss any important task in their life. So hope you got this video. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.